Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome. This is an exciting day for us. The City of Lancaster is here to announce the Safe Routes to School Master Plan, and this is funded by LA County Public Health through the HEAL grant process, and that was funded through the CDC, Center for Disease Control. So we're very excited. We're getting $475,000 to do this project. And we have very important partners here. That's why we're here at the Miller School, and thank you for allowing us to use your school. All 4 school districts are going to participate with us in this project. The Antelope Valley Union High School District, West Side School District, East Side School District, and Lancaster School District. We, as you can see, have the walking school bus here to show you what this is all about. Being safe and healthy. So today we have with us Sandra Johnson, Councilwoman Sandra Johnson. We have Danita Wynn from Lancaster School District's Walking School Bus Coordination Program, and she's also the Antelope Valley Union High School Board member and also president of Antelope Valley School Board Association. Very important person. We also have Dr. Marshall from East Side School District, the superintendent. We have Julie Oostler from the Lancaster School District, Director of Pupil Safety and Attendance. We have Elaine Darby, Principal of Miller Elementary School. We have Regina Rossell, Superintendent of West Side School District. We have Chandalyn Williams, Assistant Superintendent of Student Services, Antelope Valley Union High School District. And we have Michelle Kiefer of Antelope Valley Partners for Health. So thank you all for coming. The partners here are so important to us. We'd like to have Sandra Johnson come up and tell you more about that and the exciting developments that this plan is going to bring for the city.
Well, good morning, everyone. How are we doing? A little bit cold today, right? I wish it would make up its mind, you know. Do I wear a dress or do I wear shorts? What's going on? But we appreciate our weather here in Antelope Valley. As our community continues to develop, the City of Lancaster is making an effort to grow in a responsible way that suits our residents' lifestyles. As part of this ongoing effort, we are creating a master plan, which will provide for safe and attractive routes to schools, while enhancing the walkability of the surrounding areas. It will also improve the health of these communities by encouraging residents to walk, bike, and become more active. You know, as Barbara was sharing, that we have been blessed to have this grant that came on board, bond that came on board with LA County, which stands for Healthy Eating, Active Living. I remember when we first started, when we were called to start the walking school bus program, we were so honored to be part of that program, and as we said, it did take partnerships like Antelope Valley Partners for Health, City of Lancaster, School District. And that's what it takes for this community to make positive things happen. It's us coming together. You know, and it's funny, when we were called about the school, the walking school bus program, we didn't know that we were all working for the same thing. The city was already working on this grant. And that just brings us to know that we are all thinking the same way. We are all thinking of what's safe in our community, what's best for our children, and education, and a healthy lifestyle. And we're all coming together to make that a reality. You know, I was talking to these young kids earlier, and I was asking them, so do you guys enjoy walking to school? They all smiled. Some of them shook their head, and one of them said, no. Right? And, you know, I forget how time has gone by, because I remember and sharing with them that when I was growing up, I used to walk to school all the time and didn't know any different. And I loved walking to school. And I didn't understand why the young man said no. And then it dawned on me, we didn't have cell phones during that time. So at that time, we couldn't wait to see our friends because we had a lot of stuff to talk about in the morning, right? But that's what we want to bring back. Can we all remember when we used to walk to school and we talk to our friends and we tell them how mom put us on restriction and, you know, the things that happen at home and how much we were able to really get that energy going and that positive social skills that we had with our friends. That's what we want to bring back to our community, is the social skills, the healthy lifestyle, the happiness and the pride of our community. And that's what we're all doing together. As a school district, as Antelope Valley Partners for Health, and as the City of Lancaster, we are coming together as one to make sure that that comes back to our community. So thank you very much for being here today. We're very proud to announce the grant that we have, and we're looking forward to the outcome of it all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
And as Sandra just mentioned, our partners are fantastic. We've been working with them for quite some time now and on the same projects. So I'd like to invite Danita Wynn up to speak about the walking school bus and what this means to the schools.
Good morning. Did anybody walk here? I'm just asking. The kids did. You know, when a child becomes ready for school, the first thing the parent is concerned about is their safety. They know that once their kid gets to the East Side School District, Lancaster School District, West Side School District, or the high school district, they're going to get a good education. But from home to school, that's where they're concerned. And the walking school bus program was started in Australia for that very reason. And Dr. Don Perazzo saw the walking school bus implemented in the Beach Cities Healthcare District, and he wanted to bring it to the Antelope Valley. And so in the beginning stages, we started asking parents, so do your kids walk to school or do you drive them? And most often, they drove their kids to school. Even if they lived 10, 15 minutes away, they drove their kids, got in the car in the morning, drove that 10 minutes to school and back. And the walking school bus program, the City of Lancaster wants to encourage these kids to have a healthier lifestyle and walk. And I've told everybody I'm going to be walking with the kids this fall because I want to walk. I want to get healthier too. But I want to walk with the kids. You know, we had the implementation of the walking school bus in the Lancaster School District at 3 schools. And I'm going to be honest with you, Julie, you probably didn't realize this, but I was just kind of hoping we'd have 25 kids. We had hundreds of kids walking to school with us. Yes, we did. We had adults, you know, and the thing was, and we had moms pushing their strollers, we had kids singing the wheels on the bus, we had kids talking to each other about math, that, you know, did you get this problem? Did you not get this problem? And it was, I heard at the end of every single walk to school, kids say, can we do this every day? They were excited about doing it because they were walking with their friends, and there was a safe passage to school. So Sandra was right. I had no idea the city was applying for this grant, and actually I don't think they had any idea I was putting together the walking school bus program. It just comes together when people care so much about their community. And this week we have meetings, and we're going to start the walking school bus in the West Side School District. And so kids are going to be walking this fall, and I'm excited about that. And I want to thank the City of Lancaster because it's so important to make sure that these kids have safe passage to school. Thank you so much.
We've talked a lot about the walking school bus program. Now I'd like to tell you a little bit about the plan itself. This plan is looking at 29 of our public schools, which includes every single public school in Lancaster. It will look at a half-mile radius around the schools to look at what improvements need to be made. And we're looking for the help of the residents, the students, the parents, the teachers, the staff, the district staff, to let us know what they feel is needed for the students and the parents to feel safe while they're walking to school. And this plan will take a little over 3 years to complete, so it'll complete in autumn of 2016. So that gives us a lot of time to have bicycling events, walk audits, walking school bus programs, anything that is healthy, active living to encourage the students and their families and friends and district staff and City of Lancaster employees to be healthy and active. We are very pleased to do this plan, and we look forward to it passing so that we can then get future funding, and which is a big obstacle for everybody these days. It's very competitive to get grants and other funding, so this plan is necessary for that purpose as well. So the process itself, as I said, will include not only the events, but also educational opportunities. The money will also allow us to reach out to other partners and get some educational opportunities, how to be safe when you're walking, riding, or even driving to school. And that's very important, as you know. The other aspect, because it is a HEAL grant, is the active living part. And as we all know, the more active and healthy we are, the better opportunities for education and academic success. So we're very excited. Thank you to all our partners, and we look forward to working with you.